Hello and welcome back. Today we are diving into furniture and fixtures, how to load them, place them accurately, and make your floor plans and 3D views look realistic and professional. So let's dive in. You can see our layout is empty without any families and fixtures. So we have to load the families first and then we will place it here. To load the family, go to the Insert tab and load family. These are my collections and I will add from here. You can add or load from default Revit families. So I will select bed box, cabinet, entertainment center and a rug, open. Then to place, go to architecture tab and from component select place a component and from type selector select a bed, then place. If you want to rotate, then press space from keyboard. With this position, click and escape couple of times. If you want to change the size, then click it, go to edit type, then duplicate and name it. The size I need 5 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 6 inches. Okay, 5 feet 6, 6 feet 6. Apply. Okay, then align it. AL is fine. Now I need a cabinet here, so remove these walls and hole. Move your wall here to the floor and press CM from keyboard. It is a shortcut for the families and choose entertainment center here and space to flip it, place here and select edit, duplicate. I need 9 by 2, so I will write it 9 feet by 2 feet by 8 feet. Okay, then height I need 8 feet, width I need 9 feet, depth 2 feet. Okay, apply. Okay, and then align it. AL. Perfect. If you want to move the text, okay, I need same bed in the other bedroom, so I will select this bed and then press CS create similar from keyboard and to flip press space and then place it here. Okay, again I need another cabinet here. Press CM, go to the cabinet storage, place it here. I need 3 feet 10 by 1 feet 6 inches. Click it, edit type, duplicate, rename as the size 3 feet 10 inches by 1 feet 6 inches by 8 feet or 7 feet, your choice. Okay, then height 8 feet, width 3 feet 10 inches, depth is okay. Apply. Okay, then align it. AL, select where to align, select what you want to align. Okay, it is done. Our bedrooms are ready. Now I need to make bathrooms. So again, go to Insert tab and load family and go to where your families are, bathroom tab. Then I need this, I need this one, shower, this mirror. These are 2D families. You can insert this, but these 2D families would not be visible in 3D views. So it's your choice. You want to make 2D layout, then it's good. Then open. Now press CM and you will get this and flip it and place it here. I need 2 feet 9 inch length and depth 1 feet 6 inches. So I will select it and then edit type, duplicate 2 feet 6 inches by 1 feet 6 inches in the height of maybe 3 feet. 3 feet. Okay, height and 3 feet, depth 1 feet 6 inches, and width 2 feet 9 inches. Apply. Okay, then align it AL. Perfect. Again, press CM and select the shower. We have the shower family, complete shower cabinet. And if you want to place it here, uh, here, but we need a size of 5 feet 8 inches by 3 feet. So click it, edit type, duplicate, we'll name it as 5 feet 8 inches by 3 feet. Okay, we need the length 5 feet 8 inches and depth of 3 feet. All of the things are fine. Apply. Okay, okay. Now it is fitted on the place. Now we need toilet here. So again press CM, then type selector, select the toilet and flip it by space and place somewhere here. It's fine. And then move the text here. Yeah, it's good. Then I need same fixtures in the other bathroom. So I will select it and press C as create similar shortcut from keyboard, and then flip it and place it here. Again select it CS, then place it somewhere here, and here we need 4 feet 6 inches by 2 feet 4 inches. So we need another one. Please CS, and then we will place it here and then click it, go to edit type, duplicate 4 feet 6 inches by 2 feet 4 inches. Okay, and then 2 feet 4 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. Apply. Okay, it is created. Okay, our other bathroom is ready. If you need to change, move it here. We can change the size of the text later. Our bathrooms are also ready. Now we need to fix the living room. Here we need a TV cabinet and sofa set and a coffee table. So again, go to the insert tab, load family, go to the living, select this sofa and this TV, coffee table. I need this one is fine. Okay, press CM from keyboard and from type selector. We can place it here, somewhere here. Escape couple of times, then CM and select a coffee table. This size is fine. Flip it, place it somewhere here. Then again CM, select single sofa, place it here. Okay, and then we need TV cabinet. We loaded CM and select this is. Then flip it and place the desired position. I think it's fine. Escape couple of times. Yeah, it's fine. Then move the text. Our living is ready. Now we need a dining. Go to insert tab, load family, kitchen and dining, and select the dining. We have two dining, you can select anyone. I will select this one. This it will look good in the plan. Open and then CM and flip it and place it here. So there is a lot of space between these two. A little bit here. You can move the text. Now place the kitchen. Go to the load family and kitchen. I have ready-made kitchen. This one, and this is our island. CM, flip it and place at the corner, match corner, align AL. Yeah, it's and from here also. Okay, it's fine. In the future videos, we will make the kitchens from scratch. But for now, I am just explaining how to fit the fixture and furniture. So for the island, press CM, select the island, flip it, and place it. It's fine. And move the text here. Okay, all things are ready. Our layout is ready, furniture layout. In the laundry room, you can press a washing machine here. If you want to see the 3D, go to the 3D view and then on the section box and reveal hidden items and then make the section with the lower level and, and you can see our furniture layout is looking like this. This is realistic view. You can see in hidden, in shaded also. It's look really nice. Thank you so much. That's all from my side. We'll see you in the next tutorial.